Hey guys, happy Monday. Today is February the 10th. No, it's Monday.
No, it's Monday. It's Monday.
They're still crazy as ever. A long time no chat. Today I figured I would pick up the camera since I have not been vlogging since the last video. I do have a little haul that I want to show you guys. I also wanted to touch base on our house hunting and also my eye situation. So let's start off with my eyes. You guys remember I was having issues with it being dry, and then it would get flaky, and then it would get red, and then they would itch, and it was just a hot mess. So I finally went to the doctor. I went to a dermatologist, and it was pretty much allergy related. I suffer from allergies all the time, especially living here in Texas. It's horrible. Like, everybody and their mother has allergies. It's just really bad. Went to the I went to the doctor and they gave me a steroid cream. It has been doing so much better, but she says that unfortunately she can't like get rid of it, but she can help it. So that's what she gave me. She gave me a steroid cream. I've been using that whenever it gets inflamed. When it's better, I've just been putting like Aquifer, you know, that stuff that looks like Vaseline. She said I could also use Vaseline on there. She said not to really put anything that's going to burn it. And eventually the dark spot where it was always getting like flaky and stuff will go away. Right now I have eyeshadow on, so. But when I take my makeup off, you can see discoloration on my lids. It had traveled. It actually was on both eyes. It was really bad, you guys. It was even coming like down the bottom. So that's under control, thank goodness. I might have to get allergy tested to see exactly what I'm allergic to. I know for sure mountain cedar. We were all sick about a week ago. I was the last one to get sick. The twins were sick, the girls were sick, hubby was sick, was just like coughing and everything, and I was the last one to get that. So that was another reason why I wasn't vlogging. I got better, and then Super Bowl Sunday, everybody got better, and then on Super Bowl Sunday, Zoe woke up on Monday with the same thing, coughing and sneezing. So it's allergies, and unfortunately the only thing I can do for them is just continue giving them their allergy medicine every single day. My dermatologist told me I could double up on the Zyrtec, so take one in the morning and then midday just to help. So that's that. And then the house hunting situation has been pretty rough. It's been not rough. It's just been trying to find the right home. We were this close to signing a contract on a house, and for some reason, hubby and I both felt like just in our gut that it wasn't the right house for us. Don't get me wrong. It was beautiful, but we felt like we were being pressured into signing the contract. And then of course we didn't sign it, and then it went in under contract like that very next day. So that house is out of the question. We are running out of time because our lease is up April 1st, and you guys know if you've bought a house it takes at least 30 days to close on a house. So yeah, we would have been halfway through this house if we would have signed the contract. And it's also just about like finding the right school district for the kids. Zoe that's another thing that I'm stressed out about, is like I have no idea where we're gonna live, and so I can't enroll her into school. Like, I can't believe that Zoe is gonna be 5 and she's gonna go to school. It breaks my heart. I think I'm gonna cry more than she does on her first day. And I'm also trying to get Zia into pre-K. You have to have certain qualifications for it or something like that. But I can't do any of that because I don't know what part of town we're gonna live in. So that's going on with that. So we're back to looking and searching and trying to find the perfect home for us. I did tell hubby if we do not find something to sign and to, you know, we'll probably end up renting a house just because the dogs need a yard, you guys. They need a yard, the kids need a yard, and I just feel like we're just cooped up in the apartment. So yeah, again, if I just don't want to go that route, because I know when you rent a house, usually like the owners want you to sign a year lease, and we don't need a year lease. We just need, you know, if we, like I said, if we don't find anything before, you know, like we need to do it quickly, because like I said, our lease is up on April 1st. But the lease here, you can rent, you can do month to month. They just charge you a little bit more, and I mean, if that's what we have to do, then that's what we have to do. But it's been pretty stressful. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you is 2 pairs of shoes by Universal Thread. These are so cute. They're gonna be really good for spring and summer. They're just like this espadrille type thing, I guess you could say. It's just got like a little gold right here, super comfortable. I tried these on when he bought them last night, and they are so comfortable. I think I used to have some of these like when I was pregnant with the girls. And then I got these, which are just like some slides. They're like a rose gold. You can't really tell, but there you go, look at that. One of the twins wants a pair of these too, so we'll see if he ends up buying her some. So yeah, these are the 2 pairs of shoes he got by Universal Thread. I believe they were,
Mom, I love you.
I don't know what.
Do you see it got a heart?
Yeah, this is
apple?
cream, and then that says rose
Do you
gold.
see it
And I don't know what
chocolate?
the price isn't on here, so I don't know, but I will link it for you in the description box. That way you guys, if are interested. In a wire rack for mugs to hang. I'm not sure if we're gonna hang this here in the apartment, being that our lease is almost up. This was $35, and it's by Threshold. And you just like mount it on the wall, and I believe it holds 3, 6, 12, but usually when you have mugs, you have to like space them out. Kind of, no, I don't want lollipop. Kind of like the way they have it here, because you don't want them hitting each other. And what I'm thinking about doing is maybe later on, I really like the style, but I feel like I can use like chalk paint to like lighten it up a little bit, because my, hold on, I'll get into that in a little bit, but I really like the color. I'm just thinking that the table and the coffee station doesn't match this. But like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna hang it or not here in this apartment, because I really don't want to make holes on the walls, because then it's just more things to worry about trying to get the apartment to where we get our what do you call it, deposit back, which I'm pretty sure we're not, because the dogs did some damage in the kitchen. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this. I show a lot of things on Instagram, so if you follow me there, you've probably already seen this, but he came home with this on Friday for me, and it's like this mermaid style iridescent tumbler, and I'm drinking iced coffee right now. One other thing, I don't know what's going on, but Zia, you guys, she has been, okay, so I had to come into the room because, like I said, I don't know what is going on with Zia. She has just been so different this past month. Like just crying over everything, and not just like a little soft cry, like a cry like somebody is hurting her. Like she cries over everything. She's been a bully to Zoe. She's a bully to the twins. Like she'll just like pass by them and like bump them on their butts with her head. And I don't know what is going on with her. And then when she wants something like open, or like wants me to help, like she tries to do things by herself, but then if she can't do it, she gets so angry and just does not use words. And I always have to tell her, talk to me, use your words.
Don't just go, like that.
How she is, she's whiny. So that's another thing that I've been dealing with, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, it has been so stressful. I'm surprised that my eye isn't twitching. Usually when I'm super stressed, my eye twitches, and knock on wood, it's not twitching so far. So anyway, that's been going on. And that's why I haven't been that's really why I haven't been vlogging, because there's nothing to vlog. Everybody's been sick. We've been house hunting, trying to figure out what we're gonna do. And the school situation, it's a lot. I also wanted to show you a couple of things that he got the girls. He got them this princess shirt, I guess, yeah, which is super cute. It's got a slit on the back, so he got, you know how we do, we get the girls matching stuff. And he got them this mint colored shirt with like cherries on the side. All of these were $4.50. And then this unicorn shirt. Is it a unicorn or a horse? I think it's a horse. These are all by Cat and Jack. Hey!
Stop. Zia. Zia. Stop.
And then he also got them some shorts. All the shorts are out right now, so run and get your shorts because they will be gone by spring. These are Cat and Jack. These are just some denim shorts with a rainbow on the side. And I believe all the shorts are $10. And then he got them both these shorts with little flowers. So cute. It's like a light wash, and it's got like the little fringe at the bottom as well. And I think that's it so far, what we've gotten them for spring. Zia's wearing her shirt. Zoe's still in her pajamas because she doesn't like wearing clothes. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys so that way you can go and get shorts. Because like I said, we've waited to buy them shorts, and when we go, we only find like one size for one of them and not for the other. So that's why he's like stocking up on their shorts right now. So all right, well, here I go again, guys. Never ending toddler disaster. I just took these buckets off of the desk because I'm taking it out of here because they can't get to their drawers, which is okay, but there's just, look at this. Zia keeps writing on everything. Not good. She's my wild one, you guys. And it's clean. They're playing with all that stuff right now, but clean. Kitty's clean, Nara's clean. That's the twins' dresser with all their shoes. Girls' dresser. Everything is clean.